how to clean the Eureka 3-in-1 vacuum filter. What you do is you remove this, and inside you'll see the filter. Pull this out. What we're gonna do is clean this part of the filter. First thing you're gonna do is dust it out in the trash. After that, we're gonna go ahead and rinse it off. Now you're gonna grab the dust cup and we're gonna go ahead and tap it against the edge of the trash can. The next thing is we're gonna go ahead and wash this. Okay, let's go ahead and wash the filter. The way you do that is you turn on the water and rinse off the filter. If this video helped, go ahead and like and subscribe. Once you're done, go ahead and let the filter dry before inserting back on the vacuum. As you can see now, the filter is nice and clean. So go ahead and put the filter back in. As you can see, it falls into place. That you insert this correctly. What I like to do is start from the bottom. Once it's in, it's clicked. Make sure it's sealed completely. This will make sure that this will give the strongest suction.